Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to find channel ID on Slack. So let's start. First, open your Slack workspace, and here, click the channel that you want to find the ID. For example, I want to find the channel ID of this editing channel. After that, click on the channel name at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a pop-up window where you can view the channel's details. In this pop-up window, the channel ID will be displayed under the File section on the left side of the window. You can copy it by clicking this Copy Channel ID icon. Take note that to see the channel ID, you will need to be an owner or admin of the workspace. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to find channel ID on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.